Welcome to the Office of Career Services at Austin Peay State University's Jobs4Govs platform. And I'm going to show you a little bit about the platform today so that if you are an Austin Peay student or alumni, you'll be able to easily navigate the platform and start your job search. And just so you know, if you're a current student, you're able to log on to the system using your one-stop information, the same username and password you use for that. And if you're an alumni, you can simply go to the login screen and create a login for yourself. And the great thing about Jobs4Govs is it's going to allow you to search for a full-time, part-time, internship, co-op, and even on-campus student employment opportunities. So a lot of jobs are available in this system and you can apply very easily. As you'll see on the screen here, you'll see your homepage screen. This is what you'll see when you log in. At the top, there'll always be some scrolling banners with some information that our office wants to highlight for you, including a link for more information on creating your resume. You'll have a link for the mobile version of Jobs4Govs there as well, so lots of resources right at the top. And as you scroll on down, you'll begin to see some highlighted jobs. For example, it might be jobs that people in your major are interested in, or trending jobs, things like that. And as you scroll on down in the Jobs4Govs platform, you'll begin to see announcements here, as well as upcoming events. We also highlight our sponsors, including Enterprise Holdings on our homepage. And we also want you to follow us on our social platforms. So like us on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, to follow our feeds and make sure that you don't miss any of the latest jobs, because we will post our jobs on those platforms. And we do have several other social platforms as well. So scroll down, see all the announcements. Some of those announcements are about our other office services. They may be about employer events off campus. They may be about talking about more career events in the future. And don't forget that our resources, including Career Shift and Going Global, are embedded into Jobs4Govs now, so it's super easy to access those, and both those are great job searching platforms in different ways. If you go over here to the left side of the screen, you will see several different tabs that you can go through. I do want to mention the Jobs tab, because that is one of the most important things here on Jobs4Govs. You can simply click on Search and begin your job search on the platform. And it's going to customize this screen over time for you based on your recently viewed jobs, based on your career interests, maybe the major that you are currently in, as well as latest jobs and trending jobs on the platform. And again, you can go left or right to see these jobs. If you see a job that you're particularly interested in, you can star that. If there is a job that you are not really that interested in, you can also go and click the down arrow on that to indicate that you are not interested in that position. So, easy way to search here. You can also search by keyword. For example, if you wanted to type in internship, you could do that there and start searching, and then you'll get jobs based on your search terms. And then don't forget, you can always go back to that main search homepage And over here you'll see all jobs. You can click that to see all jobs within the system. So that's another easy way to see all the jobs that you want to see in the system. If there is a certain job type that you're looking for, you can create a job alert. So once you type in a keyword, that is how that job alert will be created. And as you start submitting job applications in the system, those will appear under the My Job Applications right there. And if you're interested in on-campus student employment, if you're a current student, just click on Student Employment to easily see only those jobs. And I want to show you what it's going to look like when you click on a specific job. So this is the type of screen you'll see for an individual listing. It'll show you the date that the job was posted, the application deadline for that job. It'll also give you a job description on this page. Maybe the employer will want to highlight your responsibilities, more about the company. Again, you'll be able to see the exact company here at the top as well as the name of the job here. Scroll on down here, you'll be able to see the city where the job is located, often the salary level, and hours per week. And if you decide that you're interested in a job and want to apply, just go up here and click Apply. Once you click Apply, it will tell you what you need to submit as part of that job application. So you will automatically have to submit a resume, and an employer can often request another document within the system. Maybe they want to see a cover letter from you or an unofficial transcript. They will list that there. Sometimes employers will have you apply through their own website, so it will simply direct you to their own website on this Apply button. So don't worry if you don't see a way to automatically upload your resume here. And I do want to point out that sometimes you'll be looking at a job and you may not qualify for that position because you may not be in the right major, you may not have the right GPA to work in that job. So you'll see here a job I'm not qualified for, and you'll see that when I'm not qualified for a job, I'm not going to see the Apply button here, but it will explain why I am not qualified for the position. If you think there's something wrong on your profile that is preventing you from applying, definitely contact our office and we will see if we can get your profile updated to be able to apply for a job that you are seeking. And you can always email our office at careerservices@apsu.edu if you have any questions about Jobs4Govs. Another quick thing I want to show you in Jobs4Govs today is the Documents tab. And the Documents tab is great because you can go ahead and upload your documents into this system. You can upload a resume, you can upload a cover letter, or you can even upload maybe a writing sample to your documents. You can upload multiple versions, so you can tailor your resume appropriately as you're applying for different places and have it easily on hand here to submit applications. And we do have the capability within Jobs4Govs to review resumes, so you may find that we have to review your resume and approve it before you're able to apply for positions. And another quick thing I want to show you in Jobs4Govs today is your My Account section. So that is where you'll see all the information about you currently in the system. You'll see your name and your email, your academic information, and you'll be able to customize your account appropriately. And some of these things are imported from the registrar's office. So if you see anything that needs to be corrected, please again contact our office and we will see what we can do to get that fixed for you. Also, within Jobs4Govs, there's a resources tab, and this is really great because you can go to the document library and see more about our services, see our policies for recruitment and using our services, and you can even see a student resume and cover letter guide that's going to help you as you craft your first resume. Also, the Career Explorer under Resources, you can type in different careers and do some research on careers that you're thinking about. You can find more information about a description of that career path, different skills you might need for that career path, things like that. And then also under Resources is the Career Finder, and that is a great little quiz that will kind of help you see more about your interests and how they might relate to potential career paths. So that's a great place to start if you're needing to decide more about what your next steps might be. So that is a quick tour of Jobs4Govs. There are lots of other resources in Jobs4Govs that you can use, and we would love to talk more about that with you. Again, you can email our office at any time. That's careerservices@apsu.edu, or call our main line at 931-221-6544. Have a great day, Govs.